Right, weather's been kind to us today. We've cracked on. Basically got most of the roof done. As you see on the inside, we put the noggins in first. We put the joists on Monday. I haven't done much videos on building the roof because it's been absolutely rubbish, the weather. It's been throwing it down. Well, nearly 5 days out of 7. So it's been a case of do a bit as and when in between work and things. So as you can see, I finished the blockwork off, put the wall plate on, strapped it down, mechanically fixed it with some brick screws, cut the joists to level to the right length, so the overhang, because I want to have a on my overhang under here. I've got to insulate that, but under there we have some downlighters on the outside. Put some noggins in today, overboarded it with OSB 3, and then on top of that, because it's going to be a warm roof, so you can see up there, so it don't form a cold spot. I've got the other side to do, but I've got packed insulation up there, so that'll go against the fascia, so there'll be a continual barrier against cold all the way around. And then you'll see that I've put a foil vapour barrier which is waterproof, and it's got insulating properties with it being foil. I think it's the equivalent of 50mm polystyrene sheets. So that's going to go. Then I'm going to have a 75mm of insulation, the Kingspan, on top of that, and you'll see on the video I put a frame in, so then I can put a second timber deck of OSB on top, and then the EPDM rubber roof membrane goes on top of that. So then that'll be the roof finished, other than obviously the detail of all the fascias all the way around. I haven't quite put an order in for the windows and doors yet, but I know I've chosen the style of composite door going on the shed. It's going to be secure composite, and I've got an aluminium bifold that's going to be fitted, not just a single 2-door bifold. It's going to be fitted in the games room, garden room, man cave, whatever. So hopefully you enjoy the video today, and I'll put the time lapse of all the work that we've done today, and then we'll carry on and do some more when the installation comes. Thanks for watching. Put some noggins in today, some insulation, finish the insulation off, and then screw down the roof timbers.